Hi friends, balance on 1090.81. History today: XAUSD sell 0.05, BTC USD buy 0.05, loss on 7.89. Sell 0.05, 2.30. Gold XAUSD buy 0.05, 8.84 dollar profit. Today profit $691.55. Today profit $691.55 today earning. Forex factor August 4 date AUD JPYU AUD CSF high impact news rate color CPI Euro CSF Euro CAD USD. Tomorrow 5 August USD JPY NZD AUD CNY JPY EUR USD JPY Euro JPY CAD USD high impact ISM service PA MI USD NSD. Trading strategy today earning XAUSD account history by 0.50 total profit $5.00 or $2.70 profit. Today profit $246.45 profit. Mobile history
লাগলে গাও করে দিছি চিনে দেছো কে